It's peanut butter jelly time. I'd be willing to bet that all of you have attempted to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, but I would be also willing to bet that you have all failed to do it properly. This is one of the most technically challenging meals you could ever try to prepare. There are many things that everybody overlooks when trying to make one of these. First thing is you have to use Jif or a generic brand peanut butter. If you try to use Skippy, you're going to have a bad time. Next, find a jam that is red, and you're good. So grab some bread. 2 or 3 slices is recommended. I'm going to use 2 today. Find yourself the shiniest knife in your knife drawer. If you have one of those matte finish or brushed finish knives, you're going to get a very poor surface finish on your peanut butter and jelly. It's very important to have a shiny knife. The next thing you have to think about is, are you going to put the jelly on first or the peanut butter? Now, luckily, this is the best kind of peanut butter. It's brand new, which means you get to be the first one to touch the surface. This has not been contaminated by any other human slime. A lot of people might go for the peanut butter first. Rookie mistake. Always go for the jelly first. And the jelly always has to go on the right loaf, the right slice, not the left slice. So grab up some jelly. It's also important to weigh this out, but I'm feeling very risky today. I'm just going to eyeball it. It may not turn out quite right, and that's why weighing out the ingredients is so important. Ooh, you see that nice surface finish from the shiny knife? You won't get that with a brushed knife. Slather it on nice and thick. Ooh, this is not looking quite right. I really wish I would have weighed this out. It might work. Well, I'll try to make that work. So now this knife is contaminated. You see all that jelly residue on there? You do not want to stick that into your brand new peanut butter. It's just going to end very poorly. Someone might end up going to the hospital. So make sure you clean off your knife very, very carefully. Now we can go in to the peanut butter. Ooh, watch this. So satisfying. Now, the ratio between peanut butter and jelly is not 1-to-1, as one might think. It's actually, what you want is roughly 7 parts jelly to 6 parts peanut butter. You want that little bit more jelly to peanut butter. Again, look at that beautiful surface finish from this nice high polish, high quality knife. A dollar store knife will not do this good of a job. That looks about right. Now you can set this knife aside, probably lick it off later. That's always good fun. Then make sure they're lined up nice and flush. And there you go. That was very challenging. My heart was racing the entire time. You do not want to be doing this with any distractions around you. Otherwise, again, someone might end up getting hurt. This is very critical stuff. And that is a beautiful example of a peanut butter jelly sandwich.